how to create QQ account. So if you want to create a QQ account, then first you need to simply install the QQ application from your App Store or your Play Store. Once you've installed the application, you just need to simply tap and open up the application. Once you open, agree the terms and conditions and wait for the page to load. Once you have this kind of interface, now if you want to allow the notifications of QQ, you can simply go and allow. Or if you don't want to, then tap on don't allow. Now you just need to simply tap on the blue button which is on the bottom right. And if you already have an account, then you can simply go and log into your account. But if you don't have an account, then you can go back and tap on the left button to create your account. And now to create your account, you just need to simply enter the country code. So enter the country code, simply tap on the country code and you can choose the country. So just simply choose the country code. For example, I'll be choosing a country. Once you've chosen, you need to simply enter your mobile number. Once you enter the mobile number, now you just need to simply go with the blue button again. Once you simply tap on the blue button, then you will receive a verification code to the mobile number which you have just entered. So simply enter the code, and after that it will ask you to create your ID, username. You need to enter your details, and then you need to create your password. Once you've created your ID and your password, and you're good to go. So that's how you can create your QQ account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.